Hey everyone, this is Jake Dickens. Sorry for the delay in our drawing, but it has been a very busy week in real estate, so thank you for your patience. But also thank you for coming out to my open house at 16 Ruskin Square Sunday before last. As I mentioned, we're going to have a drawing for the Seaside Grown Bloody Mary mix and also the baby pickled beets. And so with no further ado, we'll do that and get two out real quick. So the winners are, for the Bloody Mary mix is Julie Wolf, and for the baby pickled beets is Jan Suit. So congratulations on the win. I'll send an email out here shortly with the video, and wanted to also tell you about my new listing at 10 Ruskin Square. This is a master on the main. It's just 4 doors down from the one you visited the other day. I'll send a link in the email with that as well. So thank you so much, and I appreciate you coming out. Talk to you soon. Bye.